When the ECU expects one thing, commands another, and sees a different actual value. Do you know what that really means? In this lesson, you'll learn to compare these three perspectives and why testing them together is key to finding the real problem. Every ECU-controlled system begins with a desired target, what the module wants to happen. It issues a command to achieve that target, then reads actual feedback from sensors to see if reality matches the plan. By knowing which scan data PID shows each role, you reveal not just what went wrong, but where to look next. Show scan data from a networked module against the direct local measurement at the source. Scan data becomes powerful when you compare expected values for a known condition to the actual values reported by the system. If the commanded value matches the ECU's target, but the actual value is off, the fault is in the system response, not the module's logic. If both command and actual are wrong, investigate why the ECU chose an incorrect command, or if the input led it astray. Let's say the commanded value and the actual value do not match under the same condition. That's your signal to act. Check related PIDs, use a direct meter test if needed, or recreate the condition to see if the gap remains or shifts. This approach eliminates guesses and pinpoints the fault, whether it's wiring, an actuator, or a sensor misreporting to the ECU. A common mistake is seeing a low or high value in one PID and jumping straight to replacing a part. But without comparing command, actual, and related data, or confirming with a direct test, there's no proof you've found the real issue. Never act on a single clue. Always put the data into context. Your most reliable proof comes from matching the operating condition, comparing desired, commanded, and actual values, and testing any mismatch with either another PID or a direct measurement. That's how you confirm the real fault and avoid wasted parts and effort. Thanks for watching. Remember, always compare desired, commanded, and actual values, and confirm with the right next test to avoid wasted guesses.